Today we are making some Play-Doh. So we need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, 1/4 of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and some Jello. First step, we put everything in a pot. Then we stir. We use a whisk to get all the clumps out. With the help of a grown-up, you stir up the Play-Doh with a low flame. Take about 5 to 7 minutes. When it starts forming a ball, that means it's ready. Roll it out to soften it out, then let it cool. Once the Play-Doh is cooled down, it's soft, stretchy, and it's safe to eat, just in case of little kids get into it, and it smells good. When you're done playing, you store it in an airtight container. Make Jello Play-Doh. Bye.